One TV special report.
Next, let us hear a few words from Mr. Arthur Chan, Regional Director of the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry, Inc. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Hello. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Talagang napakaganda ng umaga. Despite after those typhoon, baha, lindol, so maganda umaga ngayon. So, mga Filipino-Chinese believes in yung fortune. So, this will be a good omen, good fortune for us. So, ako po'y sa itong umaga, ako po'y kinakatawan ng Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated. No, yung federation ay samahan ng mga trade associations katulad ng Textile Association, yung association ng mga retailers, at saka mga local Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce katulad ng Asamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce. Yung federation, siyempre, business. So, yung main aim namin is to help our members to facilitate the business and coordinate with the government agencies. Pero, we also believe in giving back. So, sa 1961, nabuo kami ng Welfare Committee. So yung under ng Welfare Committee, tatlong spearhead na programa. Itong Operation Barrios School ay isa. Yung pangalawa ay 5 volunteers. So yung mga local chambers na gusto magbuo ng 5 volunteers para tumulong sa official na government fire brigades sa mga panahon ng emergency. So, tinutulungan ng federation maghanap ng fire trucks, everything. No? Pangatlo ay yung medical outreach. So, through local chambers, they will ask for medical outreach and the federation will send over medical teams. No? So, bakit Barrios School? We Federation believes in the saying na sa halip ng bigyan mo ng isda ang isang tao, mas maigi turuan mo manghuli ng isda. No? Kasi isang isda, mabuhay lang sa isang araw. Pero kung marunong siya mangisda, buong buhay niya mabiyayaan. So, in this occasion, I want to thank firstly yung LGU under ni ngayon kinakatawan ni Honorable Cecil for allowing us to put up this project in Persing Pangkito Senior Elementary School compound, and to DepEd also, and to our barangay. Salamat sa inyong pahintulot sa pagtayo nitong building, and especially kay Sir Persing at kay Engineer Ingracia sa yung effort nila at saka yung tulong ni Sir Persing, at last nabuo na itong school building. So, for education at saka para sa kinabukasan natin, maraming salamat po.
Thank you, Mr. Arthur Chan, for your continuous generosity and commitment to education. This time, let us now listen to the message of Mr. Cesar Lim, Vice President of the Ozamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce Incorporated. Let's give him a hand, please.
To our School Division Superintendent, Dr. Lorena Sereno. To our Assistant, ASDS, Sir Dionisio Liwagon. To our Education Committee Chairwoman and City Councilor, Honorable Cecil Co. To our Barangay Kapitan, Honorable Roger Abis. And to our PSTS D7, Lorena P. Rivera. To our school head of Pershing Tanqueto School, Ma'am Cherilyn M. Ocang. Good morning, everyone. And on behalf of the Ozamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and representing our President, Mr. Kerwin C., I would like to congratulate the LGU Ozamis and Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry for another successful joint project of building Barrio School. We, the Ozamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, as a local business chamber and member of the Federation, is tasked by the Federation through the effort of our past President, Sir Pershing Tanqueto, and our Chairperson, Sir Arthur Chan, in coordinating with the LGU and Pershing Tanqueto Elementary School of Barangay Trigos was chosen to be the beneficiary of the said Barrio School project. This school stands as a symbol of our shared dreams and hard work. A place where young minds will be nurtured, values will be formed, and futures will be shaped. We are truly blessed to witness this memorable day. Congratulations to us all. Daghang salamat.
Thank you very much, Mr. Cesar Lim, for your generosity and support. To represent the Tanqueto family and share his message of dedication and compassion, let us all welcome Mr. Pershing Tanqueto Jr., President and General Manager of FYT Hardware Corporation.
Kailangan pinatulog ng para kayo. You know, ang background sa kong i-prepare kayo ito. Okay, wala naman ko bari-bari. So, nagwanta na lang. So, sipakan relax. Kaya medyo taas sa kong i-prepare. Kaya since na akong i-prepare is like a story. How this come about? This will come about. Sayang na wala si Mayor, Honorable Sam Norman Fuentes. Sayang wala sa kabutang. But we are honored to have City Councilor and Education Committee Chair, Honorable Cecil Co. Okay, the incumbent Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Lorena Serrano, ma'am, and your assistant, Mr. Dionisio. Yes, thank you. And now, I have to mention her name. The former Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Nima Regalado, Limatangin. Senior Education Program Specialist for Social Mobilization and Networking, my friend Miss Arlene Villa. The incumbent school head, Miss Cherilyn Ocang. The former school head, Mr. Dopi Rupita. I have to mention your meetings. Faculty, staff, parents, students of First Tanqueto Senior Elementary School, the barangay chairman, Honorable Roger Abes and his council. The media people and the good people of Barangay Trigos, Osambi City. Good morning. Okay, so the family of the late Pershing Tanqueto Sr. is very excited and happy to finally turn over this one-story, two-classroom Barrio School building today on October 15. This is a flagship project of the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated. In fact, this is a 6,936 school building built, constructed from the effort of the Federation. So 6,000 imagine. Kauna, way back in years, 3,000 pa man ito. Pagkukulo sa ito, nagtaimo ito, 3,000. Mas pa siya ang pupun. Mora ginakay mo. This is a flagship of the Federation to educate children. Many may not know that the original location of this Barrio School project was supposed to be in the IBJT area of Osambi City back in 2014. But due to lack of financial support, the project was shelved. Then in early 2023, the project was revived for Barangay Tabi Untak. Pero lisod man. Kung doon, naog kayo dito, pinanakapunot ng 1 meter. We don't have the capability to shell out that much money from the Osambi Filipino. So, again, for the same reason, lack of financial support, it was once more discontinued. When I learned in early 2024 that Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School was in need of a new school building, I coordinated with Mr. Jupiter Pinta and discussed the matter with then President Arthur Chan of the Osambi Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce Incorporated. We explored the possibility of constructing this Barrio School building using the initial Federation budget of 400,000. Kung 2014 pa lang, kung na-ay financial support of 200,000, we can construct a school like this already in 2014. Kaya na ng 600, 650. Pero as years pass by, nagkamahal ang construction materials. So then I was the president, ako makabuno. Pero I did not tell us this to our members kay wala lang, 20, 30 min, yung na lang na. Ingon ta, ato lang i-consider na basa ang simento. Laot. So using the finance, initially using the 400,000 pesos approved in 2014, with the remaining construction costs to be shouldered by the family of the late Pershing Tanqueto Sr. So, dako kay challenge ni kay 400,000, magtukod ini. You know, what was the estimated cost of this? Ako istorya niya. As a trustee of the board back then, 2023, 24, ako po ay trustee pa ako. I was authorized to negotiate with the Federation, possibly to use lighter materials. Ako, sir, pwede ba atong ibutang artifacts na? Plywood na atong idinting para masibo sa 400,000? Siya ayaw. So, the Federation, through the project coordinator, Mr. Carlos Legazpi, instead proposed an additional of 450,000. So, naimong 850,000. So, pero taga pa yung condition. Any excess construction cost will be borne by the family or FYT Hardware Corporation. Bilawan ako ang challenge kay narating sa mo, kamong pamilya, in honor of my father. Ilawan ako ang challenge kaya siya. With this support, ikan sa Federation, and my experience in constructing 24 barrio schools, more or less, over 22 years, okay, mga 22 years mo na presidente, I was encouraged to pursue the project, especially after receiving the go signal to proceed from. That's why na gusto ko na si Dr. Vilma Regalato, Ms. Arlene Pia, Engineer Paul Eric Catulong, sir, and Mr. Jupi Rupita. Hatag sila go signal na. Trabaho na, may problema. Kung may problema, di trabaho. And our long time project engineer, kanunay na pupuyog for 24 barrio schools, more or less. Engineer, ito. Engineer Henry Ibrasa submitted to me an estimated construction cost of 1.2 billion. Ako pa nag-discuss atong current chairman sa Summits Filipino Chinese Chamber that we will be spending 1.2 billion. Pero ano may pili? Ang challenge niya, 350,000. Ito, para ma 1.2. So I have to find 350,000. Say, nagunaw na ita, mga ikan support, ikan sa lain. Marang, pili man mga ito. Marang natay, partner na yun sa itong effort. So, para yun ang trabaho, fortunately, we received strong mahina or volunteer support from the people of Barangay Trios under the leadership of Chairman Roger Abes and his council. Kaya pong council, approve sila na mutabang na ito. The barangay assisted by cutting down 2 large trees that pose danger near the school. Kung nakita niyo sa gawas, o biya sa kilid. Kung kita na human napagay po itong kahoy, delikado, matumbahan ka kung kusog ng hangin. No, ibigay mo nga ang kahoy. The barangay also providing filling materials. Ang filling materials, kini ubos-ubos na yan. Ang original habog na yan. Then, kalitan ubos. So, itabang yan po na itong mga volunteers sa barangay. Pagkatod sa filling material, din nila po. So, nakasave ko sa putol sa kahoy, doon sa kahoy, o pagbog sa towel. And assigning 2 skilled carpenters and 3 efficient workers. They working na, all at very reasonable rate. Because of the barangay's invaluable participation, the actual cost for labor and materials was reduced to 1,019,804 and 6 centavos. Ako pasalamat ko sa atong barangay. Dili lang po barangay sa eskwelahan. Anto na atan ko yung mamukang. No, di ba? Kamulo po madato po. The difference was of 169,804 and 6 centavos was shouldered or is shouldered by the family of the late Pershing Tanqueto Sr. This is in addition to the 2-hectare parcel of land that the late Pershing Tanqueto Sr. and his family had donated to the community in the past. I'd like to share the story. Primero 1 hectare. Ang ikadong hectare ko yung natag. The school head then was, hindi ko kalulong ang alam ni ma'am, was very persuasive. Abot ito, natintan. Ikaw niya, sir, we need another parcel, another hectare para ma-accommodate ang mga estudyante at magputang eskwelahan. So, counting na itong panahon na kung yung iba ang yuta is only 35,000, 1 hectare. Gusto mo ng 35,000 kaya sa atong ihatag para sa atong estudyante, no? tayo debates na. This is for a lifetime. Lastly, the goal of the family is to make education more accessible to the children of Barangay Trigos and to help ease the burden of parents by reducing the cost of sending their children to school during their formative elementary years. So, nakatabang ka sa mga bata. Hindi na tinanong mo ito sa ubos mo, muntol, or pataas dito. Kay, tagdaan ba ng classroom? Ang population, di pa kinamaridos, mga punay, mga bagong mga anak. So, ang akong katapusan na mensahe is, mabuhay Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School! Mabuhay the good people of Barangay Trigos! Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sir Pershing Tanqueto Jr. for your kindness and generosity that will surely touch the countless young lives. And now, to deliver her message, let us all welcome Dr. Lorena P. Serrano, CESA 6 Assistant Schools Division Superintendent and OIC Office of the Schools Division of Azames City. Let's give her a hand, please.
Good morning. Mabuhay ang Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School. Si Sir Pershing Tanqueto hatag siya short story. Ako po sumpayan yan short story. Bisag hapit natin paniod to. When I was informed that there will be a turnover ceremony of this building sponsored by our Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce, and of course, with the help of our benefactor, Sir Pershing Tanqueto Jr., na-reminded ko, basig dito na to siya itukod sa katong yung ganyan, sir, sa building na gianay na kaayo when I was the school, public school district supervisor 2017-2018. Because this is my first assignment as PSD, public school district supervisor. And my last assignment also, because I was transferred to Roqueta City, being designated as the OIC ASDS in Roqueta City. So nalipay kaayo ko, naghunahuna, and I was so excited that pagbalik na ako sa Osamis City, ang eskwelahan nga ako una nga ma-visit for an official business, gawa sa pag-practice sa City High, where I also graduated, is the district nga ako ang gihandulan. So, may I allow me to recognize all the persons involved and who are present today. Kaya talagsa kay kamakita, sir. Inani na yun ni ng mga tigong. We just, siga ang mata ni sir, no, kalibig saya ko. Minsan lang po tayong magkikita sa mga ganitong mga gatherings. That's why I need to acknowledge everyone in attendance. First in my list, of course, the team of our Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce team, Sir Arthur Chan, our Regional Director, Sir Cesar Lee, Vice President of the Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce in Ozamis City, of course, Sir Pershing Tanqueto Jr., the President and the General Manager, our benefactor, gusto nitong takta. From 1 hectare na himong 2 hectares and then plus the 169,000 point something. See? Dako na kayo ng tabang, dako kayo bahakang intawon katawa si Kapitan. Kinsa may who will give the amount without these benefactors who are sponsoring and helping DepEd in delivering basic education, bringing the education to the doorsteps of our community in Trigos. Of course, our DepEd family, Sir Dionisio Liwaguan, our ASDS, Ma'am Arlene Villa, the good friend of Sir Pershing Tanqueto Jr. So, napoy lang Miss Julie at the back. Engineer Paul, Sir Tony, and everyone in ako mention. And the District 7 family headed now by Ma'am Lorena Contukaya Rivera and all the school heads in District 7. And si Sir Noel, our EPS in quality assurance. Sir, please stand to be recognized. Na-assured sa to division office for our DEDP review. Thank you, sir, for your attendance and for your presence. And thank you for celebrating with us because this is a celebration. Of course, atong pinaka-active na barangay kapitan nga nagpapahina, making light, and ako kayo mga counterparts, sir, in anak man gyud na ang partnership, sir. That is partnership na di lang tanan ihungit. Of course, ang accountability sa taga-barangay, sa community the factor. So salamat kayo, kapitan, for leading them. Of course, the barangay council, pakpakan to gusto ng barangay council. Now, the previous school head, Sir Jupi, who started this endeavor, Sir Jupi, and the current school head, Ma'am Cherilyn Okang, and the rest of the teaching force, na mga bago na kaayo ilang mga faces. 7 years ago, I observed classes here, wala na nabilin. Now na lang ni Sir Jem, ako ang hinumduman. Because Sir Jem, dili na siya na-assign, first assignment. Okay. Lami kayo, excited kayo kung naglantaw sa school kayo, nagko kayo ng kahoy before. Kana diha, diniog kay sa tanan. Kindergarten class was held in a makeshift classroom with Ma'am Ayen Avere. Atong payag-payag po, nagianay gihapon siya. So, this is a great blessing and really nakatabang yun sa atong mga kabataan, di lang for the but of course sa community of Trigos. Hearing the story of Sir Pershington Keto nga from 1 hectare, ako na 1 hectare during the time. But since Ma'am Anacleta Gakasan was very persuasive, so additional 1 hectare was donated to the school. And that I am sure nga ang gulayan sa paralan during that time, dako gyud pud kaayo sa panahon nilang Sir Jem atong panahon nga dirimi. Okay. So it really takes a village to educate a child. May it not be on the curriculum side where we need our benefactors and our partners, but we cannot do this without our partners. Ma'am Cecil ko among inahan sa kanunay panabang. Kaya always gina si Ma'am Cecil, pakpakan nato si Consihal Cecil. It's different to, the feeling is different when we have representative from the city who is also a very strong partner in DepEd na who will celebrate with us, Ma'am Cecil, not just to solve issues and to solve challenges in DepEd, but who will also celebrate with us in times like this. Thank you so much, Ma'am Cecil, our Consihal. Again, it takes a village to educate a child. Maybe these our partners may not be in the field of curriculum, but also they are our strong partners in other aspects that DepEd is needing or the needs of DepEd, and that is our classroom. It is a public knowledge man good, and it is very trending sa akong Facebook o other social media that DepEd nagkakulang kita og mga classrooms. Bisan pag pila ka thousands of classrooms ang i-build every year, but since the population also is growing every year, so we really need to have our partners for this endeavor. Pakpakan na ito pag-usapan ng FFCC ngayon. So today marks a significant milestone, a moment that reflects not only the completion of a structure, but also the fulfillment of a shared vision. I was really listening to Sir Pershington Keto a while ago that the family's goal is to really bringing education to the doorsteps, and they believe that edukasyon ang solusyon. Mauro magina siya. Dili na tumatagan diretsyo, like teaching them how to fish, not giving them the fish diretsyo. So edukasyon ang solusyon. With this complete classrooms now, this is inviting the community ng mga eskwela na. Unlike before, that they are having their classes under the trees, dito sa stage. Ang isa ka classroom divided into 3 classes. Multi-grade pa gini sa una. Multi-grade pa ba nakaroon diri sa Pershington? No more. So during our time, multi-grade ni ang Pershington Keto, meaning to say, 1 class, 1 classroom, 1 teacher na yun. Wow, congratulations, Pershington K2. After 7 years, na-complete na yun ang inyong elementary na education. The turnover of this building stands as a symbol of collaboration, trust, and dedication among all who work together to make this project possible, of course with our benefactor and the family of Pershington. This structure is more than just a concrete. With the concrete walls, space where dreams will be nurtured, ideas will be born, and lives will be transformed. It will serve as a lasting reminder that when we unite our efforts, remarkable things happen. So this is a collaborative effort of our partners, DepEd, and the community nga sila yun ang recipient ani. Kaya pwede mag-ugyan, DepEd, dili po nung tamudawat, but because it is our mandate that to bring education, basic education at least, making it accessible to all learners, kada barangay. Nga our target is of elementary, secondary, and senior high school. May this turnover inspire us all to continue building. Sir, mo dawat pagin mi. Kami itatanggap pa ng mas marami pang building. I-assure na namudaan karon, maybe you're planning for the succeeding years. Ma'am Arlene Villa, our SOCMO vocal, our SEPs, is very ready and always available, Sir Pershington K2, whenever you need her. This not only structures, but also a stronger community, better opportunities, and a brighter future for our Trigos learners. Our diamonds in Trigos. And these diamonds in Trigos, sir, we consider our learners our diamonds. So our diamonds in Trigos are part of the diamonds in the whole kinatibukan of Ozamis City. And of course, kinatibukang Misamis Occidental. So your effort and your contribution, mga sirs, from FFCCII, and of course our benefactor, Sir Pershington K2 Jr., is a big part of making Ozamis City Ascenso moving forward, making Misamis Occidental Ascenso as our target, as the flagship program of the province of Misamis Occidental. Once again, thank you so much for bringing the doorsteps of Trigos, Barangay Trigos, the basic education, and for helping DepEd, making education accessible to all learners, the future of Ozamis City, the future of Misamis Occidental, the future of the whole country. Ascenso Ozamis City, mabuhay Pershington K2 Elementary School, Ascenso Misamis Occidental, daghang salamat and looking forward for a stronger partnership. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Lorena P. Serrano. This time, let us hear another message from our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mr. Dionisio L. Lewagon Jr.
Thank you very much. Hindi na sana ako magbibigay ng message kasi nasabi na ng ating mahal na Schools Division Superintendent, pero insistent ko ang ating school head. My morning greetings to all of our dignitaries, sa lahat ng mga nabanggit na kanina, hindi ko na isa-isahin. So, sa ating Regional Director ng FFCCII, Sir Arthur, at sa lahat ng officers ng Filipino Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, kay Sir Pershing K2 Jr. at kay Sir Lim, sa inyong lahat. I really wish to share na lang, kasi insistent ang ating school head. That building there is the building of DepEd na binigay sa atin dito kasi hindi naman tayo sana nag-qualify sa last mile school. No? Sa DepEd, meron tayong tinatawag na last mile schools or barangays na qualified sa last mile schools. Qualified lang ang barangay na naging last mile kung walang magandang kalsada, walang signal, hindi accessible. Pero sa bahagi ito ng ating bansa, sa ating syudad, lungsod ng Ozamis, lahat ng mga paaralan ay accessible na. Pero we're so happy na binigyan tayo. So great blessings was poured to this area. And now here comes another blessing. Totoo po talaga, when it rains, it pours. Kapag meron isang blessing na darating, maraming blessings na darating. Kay Sir John Pershing Canqueto Jr., sa lahat ng mga taga-FFCCCII at sa lahat ng mga kasamahan sa LGU, maraming salamat. So sa part ng DepEd, ang aming SES, kami, we will really ensure, we will keep on monitoring that this particular building donated out from the kindness and the generosity of the organization and the family, we will ensure that this will be properly cared of. No? Talagang aalagaan. Nagkaroon na ng whisper kanina dyan na kay Councilor Cecil na of course, yung Ulises net na mailalagay para masiguro din ang mga bata na walang magkakaroon ng sakit ng dengue and others. So sa buong Grigo, sa Kapitan, sa lahat ng mga parents, at sa inyong lahat, congratulations po. Ito po ay isang partnership. Siguraduhin po natin na ang building na ito ay mananatili at maging very useful, hindi lang sa generation na ito, kundi sa susunod pang generation. Congratulations sa ating lahat. Ang Diyos ay sumasabi.
Thank you, Sir Janisha Aliwago Jr. This time, to officially accept the building on behalf of the school and community, let us hear the acceptance message of our very own school head, Ma'am Sherilyn M. Ockham. Let's give her a hand, please.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Dan. Gigutom na ang tanan. I think this is the last message. Okay. My due respect to our valuable stakeholders from the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, the Ozamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, with Sir Arthur Chan, the Regional Director, Sir Cesar Lim, the Vice President, and the FYT Hardware Corporation President and General Manager, Sir Pershing Canqueto Jr., to our City Councilor and Education Committee Chairperson, Honorable Cecil Waiko, to our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Lorena P. Serrano, CESO 6, to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Janisha Aliwago Jr., to our PSBS in District 7, Ma'am Lorena P. Rivera, to all SGOD personnel in attendance, Ma'am Arlene Villa, SEPS, Social Mobilization and Networking, to another SEPS, Sir Tony Mariliano, our Division Sports Officer, our two engineers, Sir Paul Catulong and Sir Orvin Cayoso, to my fellow school heads in District 7, and to the former school head of Pershing Canqueto Senior Elementary School, Sir Jupi Rupinta, at the same time the Division Sports Coordinator, to our project engineer, Engineer Henry Ingrassia, to our very supportive Barangay Council headed by our Barangay Chairman, Honorable Roger C. Abis, and to all the councilors who are here today, to our SPT and SGC officers in attendance, to all my colleagues in school, to our dear learners who are with us this morning, maayong udto na, maayong udto sa tanan. On behalf of the entire school community, our teachers, learners, parents, and stakeholders, I humbly and joyfully accept this newly constructed various school building in one-story, two-classroom, generously donated by the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated and the Ozamis Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce Incorporated and FYT Hardware Corporation to our beloved school. This building is more than just a structure of walls and roofs. It is a symbol of hope, collaboration, and shared commitment to providing quality education to our learners. It stands as a testament that when the community and education partners work hand in hand, we can create spaces where dreams are nurtured and futures are built. We are deeply grateful to our donors and stakeholders for their generosity and trust. Sir, your support will go a long way in providing our learners with a safer, more conducive, and inspiring environment for learning. We also want to extend our heartfelt appreciation to our schools division officials, local government unit officials, barangay officials, SPTA and SGC officers in school, and project engineer Henry Grusha, and all who have been instrumental in making this project possible. Personally, I am truly honored to be the school head of this school as my first assignment as a school head. Special thanks to Sir Dionisio L. Liwagon Jr. and our former SDS, Dr. Infa Regalado, for the trust and for believing in me. I am just continuing the good initiative of the former school head of this school, Sir Jupi Curupinta, and did all the necessary things just to finish this building. With the support of all the teachers and staff, the barangay council, and the continuous coordination with Sir June and Sir Henry Ingrasha. As we accept this building, we also accept the responsibility to take good care of it, use it wisely, and ensure that it fulfills its purpose, to serve as a haven of learning, growth, and hope for generations of learners to come. It is exciting to know that we now have a venue in school where we can hold various events and activities that will help hone the talents and skills of our learners, as this building also serves as a multi-purpose hall. We would also like to thank the division office for giving us two aircons, the one that we enjoy at the moment and the other one to be installed soon. Once again, thank you very much for this meaningful gift. Together, we continue to build not only classrooms, but brighter futures for our Diamond learners, especially here in Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School. Again, daghang salamat o asenso, Ozamis.
Thank you, Ma'am Geraldine, for that heartfelt acceptance. Indeed, this building will be a lasting legacy for the learners and teachers of Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School. As a token of appreciation, a certificate of recognition will now be given to the donors.
May we call in Ms. Arlene Villa, Senior Education Program Specialist in Social Mobilization and Networking, to present the certificate.
Thank you. I assure you, sir, this will not take 3 minutes. I guess this is just about the right time to recognize our stakeholders at the moment. This is a certificate of recognition is hereby presented to the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chambers of Commerce and Industry Incorporated, and also to the Ozamis Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce Incorporated, in profound appreciation and commendation to the generous donor of the newly constructed school building at Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School, Barangay Trigos, Ozamis City, and for the invaluable contribution to the advancement of education and the welfare of Ozamisnon learners. Given this 15th day of October 2025 during the turnover of the school building project. Signed, Lorena P. Serrano, CESO 6, OIC, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent. May I invite our SDS, our ASDS, and our... This is also one for FYT Hardware Corporation. And the third one is lovingly written ang iyahang wordings for Pershing Tanqueto Jr. in profound appreciation and commendation for being a steadfast partner of DepEd Ozamis. Your benevolent act serves as a shining example of how collective efforts and generous hearts can transform lives and shape a brighter future for Ozamisnon learners of Pershing Tanqueto Senior Elementary School, Barangay Trigos, Ozamis City. Signed, Lorena P. Serrano, CESO 6, OIC, Office of the Schools Division Superintendent. Truly, Sir Pershing, Sir June, as I call him, is a Facebook friend. Long time ago. Sir June, daghang kayong salamat, and may you will continue to provide on behalf of FYT Hardware Corporation, not only for Pershing Tanqueto Elementary School, but more so with the other schools of DepEd Ozamis. Thank you.
I would like to share na ang itong 24 schools under my supervision with Engineer Henry Gracia. From 1999, the first school was built or constructed in Bagakay. Matungkol dito, napagapatong silahan.
Yes, sir.
Maybe, ada yung mga repair. And the last school was at Kinuman. Elementary school.
Yes, sir.
Oh, napagapatong dito. That was, I think, in 2017.
17.
So, we are proud the Federation and the Federation of Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce and the Ozamis Filipino Chinese Chamber of Commerce Incorporated and myself, we are proud na itong eskwelahan na akong ito for quality here. Kaya ito karoon na ako. Otherwise, nakakita mo ng gigit. Wala ko may nakita siro. Kasubay-subay may before I talk now, ako sure may liti. Ikaw na meta ma-video meta, mobile na. So, nagkakaisalamat. And one more, ako nag-share, kilala mo na yung accordion, no? Lord. Since na ako naunaw ng bright naman yung taon na, 1999 pa. Hindi na ako tumaunong kung gihalog lang na ito magamay sa mutang classroom. Okay? It's only 7x7. So, butangan mo na kayo, pisa. So, matutod. In occasions like this, magamit na ito. Yeah. Diba? Kita ninyo, gamit nyo. Thank you for that. Pero, to add spice sa itong activity this morning, nakauna na ako several days ago, a few days ago ato may honor ng atong mga bata na pisa o Sammy Smith, no? Kaya, sabi lang atong coach sa mga bata. Alam ko kamay ng palipay ng mga bata. Ini, surprise. Okay, fifth place
athletics, one, Jillian and Nino. Si Nino ay Discastro, pilang isa? Fifth place, sir, sa athletics, Discastro.
Award. Saya. Ikan sa pamilya.
And then si Jillian sa running,
Wala niya sa akong budget.
100 meter.
Kumuha ay ka nakahaba.
400 meter to. Fourth place, sir. Siya, sir, kayo.
Mangyari na fifth place ang kahit sa mga.
Discuss throws for athletics.
No. Kapag nakabay ito nito. Paglabay ni mo na ko sa
The next one, sir, si Jillian Antipina. Yes, athletics hapon, sir. 100 run. Fourth place, sir.
Ito na sa badminton. Once upon a time, may gulang po badminton. Ang problema ng badminton, di ka nahanap. Wala dito ma-excel. Huwag pa nga dito ma-excel, kiyang naman yun. Sabi pang bukton. Anyway, so ito na sa
Third place.
Third place.
Si Eko Gaugaw. Provincial Meet Qualifier, third place here. Grade 5 pupil. Congratulations! Okay. Thank you. Okay, very good. Okay, next is the second placer sa badminton girls category, and then provincial meet qualifier po na siya.
Among duha, pag-asa sa atong estudyanta. As far as the sports activities is concerned, no? Activity is concerned. So ayun ninyo kayo, mas malako kayo ng malawan. Magtigol na masubok ko. So thank you very much. And thank you for your time. Picture sa picture.
Jimmy Mosero, a proud student of grade 5 and SDLG. On behalf of all the students, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our generous donors for the classroom donation you have given to our school. Your kindness and support means so much to us. The new building and resources you provided will not only make our classroom more comfortable and beautiful, but they will also help us learn better and dream bigger. Your donation is more than just things. It is a symbol of your belief in our future. We promise to take care of what you have given us and to use them wisely. We will study hard and do our best because we know that people like your belief.
Ako na nangingipin ng opportunity because it will not come back again. Okay. Kasi nung ang panahon bitaw na yun. I am very fortunate also to our federation, also to our friend, mga vloggers. It all started with a simple question. Sir, willing ka mo donate sa eskwelahan, maayo ko stage. Simple answer. How much? Ako mga around 50 to 100, sir. Siya, you really want a stage where I can give you a school building? Wala. Pero simple lang. Ngayon, to make a long story short, it started not just a stakeholder and school head relationship. It turns into friendship. Inimbitan naman na siya, including si Jenna Henry. I never expect na I could have this moment being with these two handsome gentlemen. Dahil, the support is there, the friendship is there. Kung asa ko ng school maabot, matod na sila, they're willing to give something. What we want, sila, I will give you something. Just tell me what you want and I will provide sa makayanan. Tawag lang rin na ma'am, I'm very fortunate to be attending this school. And you also mentioned na itong sa kanang building ng provided by STIN, ako po si engineer anak ng sa building. And this building, grabe ang mga sakripisyo din. Coming here sa Saturday and Sunday, is buong of Consergio, please check kung kulang pa ba ang materials. Ang himo ko kontraktor ito panahon na. Pero, ang nakanindot lang is, kaya nakita na po ang true meaning of service, ang true meaning of friendship. Kaya na sir, I'm very emotional kay, isa mo kayong ganyan, nakita niya. And also to the barangay people, dili naman doon ko usually good ganani. Kaya I'm very thankful to my very good friend. Kaya tagaan niya ako, kita niya ako, magtakot yun yung mga amigo na ko. I would like to thank all the barangay people who di mo dito mga Bosyan. Thank you so much. Pakpak, palihog. Thank you so much. They've been my partners sa sports, dito kinatugod Football Club. They've been my partners sa any occasion. Kining preparation karon, sponsored me o panikamot sa mga teachers. And we are so very lucky in Trigos sa Sa kuwang magalingon, I will really assure you that once you are in Trigos, you are safe. And for me, this is one of the best place na kuwang na niyan, the safest place, and of course, my home. And to our stakeholders, our donors, sir, you may continue to serve more people, to serve more learners. And Sir Jun, hindi lang ka mag-chat ako, wala na tayo hindi. But thank you for being part of our story.
I will always be there.